So the start of the Cobra roll is finally kind of in. You can see that support that's kind of sticking out by its lonesome is going to be the next connecting point for the Cobra roll when it comes around. But man, it's looking great. Sky Cabin is testing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I didn't even notice. Sky Cabin is officially testing. What is this madness? So the little airtime hill is looking more and more like it's almost here. Man, that's gonna be a great hill. So Sky Cabin was legitimately just testing. We didn't notice it until we walked over here. I didn't even notice it until the boys pointed it out to me, but maybe Sky Cabin will be open by the time Accelerator and Hangtime are open, hopefully. That'll be cool. Even better view of Hangtime too will come along with it. So I just can't wait till they end up topping off the stall loop. That will be amazing when that finally happens. But the Cobra roll is looking great, but it'll go up around there, connect through there, and go back over towards these supports over here. So one thing that kind of sucks, they've closed up most of the holes in the construction wall, so we can't really take a good look inside now. But yeah, most of the walls have been redone to have no holes. So we'll see if we spot any and get a good view from there. Sky Cabin is going for another run. Man, it is weird to see it going. So here's the airtime hill. Man, that's gonna be crazy ejector. But look at that. Sky Cabin going. It is so cool to see it going again. Since it hasn't gone in over a year. Almost 2 now, I think, maybe. I'm not entirely sure, but it is cool to see it up there again. But this beast of a coaster is going to be amazing. Dare I say it, better than Wicked Timbers? We'll have to find out. It amazes me how close the entrance and exit of the -G stall loop is. It's kind of crazy to me. So more station track has been? No, same track, but all the springs have been put in for the anti-rollback, if you guys can see that. Those springs are to push and pull up the brakes for the anti-rollback. It's still cool to see uncovered brakes, because usually they're covered, but they're all bronze. So here's the back of the station. They've got supports and concrete going in. Cool, very cool. And one more quick thing that I noticed, they extended this wall back just a little bit, like by 5-10 feet. So I wonder what they're gonna put back there.